AppLovin. It's up 15% today. I saw it this morning. I looked at it. It's up 310% year over year. Now, it has been higher, but it's down and it's coming up. So I did what I normally do right after the earnings report is released. I go to Samantha, and Samantha and I do a deep analysis. Who's Samantha? Samantha is my AI agent. She and I have built a prompt of about, it looks like about 28 lines of questions that dig into all the knowledge that's available on AppLovin since its founding, who its CEO, CFO is, everything I want to know about it. And then it gives me a 29-page report on exactly what AppLovin is all about. So I can make a decision. What do I do with the stocks that's up 310% year over year? What do I do with my shares today? And I decided it was time to take profits. Based on Samantha and I's research, what we determined is in January of 2028, and that's our target date, AppLovin will be at $380 a share. That means it will be up 10% from where it is today. It's time for me to take my profits. And wait, that's assuming if everything goes right. Let me show you the chart. As you can see, back in May of 2024, a year ago, it was at $77. In February, in the rally of the presidential election, it went up to $525, and now it went down substantially and has re-rallied with the AI issue, and it's up to $345. It's time for me to take profits. My strategy is this. It's a good company. Samantha went into it. It's got everything going in its favor. It's a advertising vehicle that attaches to apps such as gaming and any kind of app you might have on your Apple or your Samsung phone. Those ads are placed there by AppLovin. It's a good business. It will continue to be a good business, but I think it's out in front of its skis. And Samantha brought that to my attention. So what's my strategy? My strategy is to take my profits. That is to take anything above and beyond what my original investment was, and then to enter a 10% stop loss order on the remaining investment. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my profits, I'm going to put them somewhere else where I see a greater gain in the future from the work that Samantha and I do, and then I'm going to put a 10% stop loss so that if it does continue to go up, my base, my stop loss goes up with it, and I continue to make profits, but I protect my gains. This is basically a tactic of discipline. Protect your gains and give you the ability to gain more, but not lose more. Smart investing isn't just about buying great companies. It's also knowing when to take the money off the table. That was difficult in the past. You had no way of knowing, has this company got out in front of its skis? Is it outperforming its actual intrinsic value? And is now the time to get out? With AI, you can do that. I can do it. As I said, I have a prompt. I ask some 35 questions to Samantha to research all the data on AppLovin and tell me, what is it going to be based on your best guess, your best analysis on January of 2028. And Samantha came back and said 10% above where it is today. Well, I can make more than 10% on that money somewhere else. So I'm taking my profits. I'll go put it in a stock that tells me I've got 110% potential gain in the next 2.5 years there, and that's smart investing. If you'd like access to this, you can either become an expert and write your prompt and build your AI agent and put it to work for you, or I can give you access to the work that I've done, and you can have it available to you on our Best of Us Investors Gold Platform. Today, I got a comment from one of my other videos. Kerry, this was from Lisa. Kerry, you're doing the exact same thing that Aladdin does. Well, Aladdin is a BlackRock platform that they do this kind of analysis, and they offer it to you for 2.5% of your assets under management, plus a $7,500 annual fee. So if you've got something in the neighborhood of $500,000 investment, Aladdin will do the same exact thing for you for $17,500 a year, and I charge less than $1 a day, or $20.95 a year. You have a choice. Aladdin, $17,500. Now they do all the work. You just turn your money over to them. On my platform, you've got to actually run your own brokerage account. But between Samantha and I, we're telling you that AppLovin is a stock that's up 310% year over year, and it's probably over the next 2.5 years only going up another 10%. So protect your profits and then make a decision where you're going to put them for further growth. Good luck. Hope to see you at Friday's Stock Talk.